Good morning, Amy and Emma here, and we're going to be talking about canning taco soup today.
I love it
it's
so much.
Yummy, isn't it? I will put the recipe in the description below, so I'm not going to worry too much about telling you exactly what we're doing here and how much of everything, but we do put the meat in the bottom, then layer the beans, and then we'll add the corn on top of that. And this is the corn that I got from the local farmer here, and I got a really good deal for all that corn here.
That must be a really good farmer.
He was a really nice farmer. Yeah, he gave us a really good deal, and we're going to add all of our seasoning to the top of the jar, and it just kind of takes all that seasoning down when we put the broth in there.
I love broth.
Yeah, this is a good bone broth too.
Ooh, bones? I don't like bones.
But it makes good broth. Yeah, you can't eat bones. Alright, so you're just going to fill your jars up with a 1-inch headspace. Run a knife down the edge of the jar to release those bubbles. And we did soak our beans overnight for 24 hours.
Ooh, that must be awesome.
Yeah. And we're going to soak our lids here and wipe off the lip of the jars. This helps ensure a good seal rate.
Oh, great.
And then we're going to add our rings finger tight. You don't have to wrench them down, just finger tight is sufficient.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to load them up in our canner. I was able to get 2 layers of soup in this all-American canner.
I don't know how she did that. Awesome.
Makes it really easy with that extra plate in there.
That must have been good.
Yeah, we're gonna twist our lid on here and then bolt it down. I like to do one side and then the other. And once I do that all the way around, I come back through and tighten it all down. You can see to the right of the handle, I have my stem in the upright position, so that way it releases all the steam for the first 15 minutes. And then you'll knock that over to the side to build pressure. And this is where the magic happens. This is where we let it process. And when it's done, you have beautiful, yummy, jarred taco soup.
I love taco soup.
We do. You're going to lift those jars straight up and out. Do not tip them to the side. This ensures that you're going to have a good seal rate. Trust me on this. Also, this is a natural release of pressure. You're going to let the canner just release pressure naturally before you take the lid off and take the jars out. And as you can see, they're still quite hot. So don't touch them with your bare hands.
Yeah.
Do you like this video?
It's a fun set.